Stop looking at my lashes. Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Hot girl, summer seat, you know she got it in. Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me, I love.
What's up, YouTube? So, welcome back to my channel. And by the caption, y'all already know what I'm finna do. I'm finna be a mom for 24 hours. So, right now, what time is it? Oh, y'all, this phone say military time. I don't know what time it is, so I don't know how to tell military time, but it's like 5 something. And I'm gonna head over to my cousin James and Leslie's house to go pick up Paisley. She 2 months old, y'all. 2 months. So y'all pray for me. But I'm good with kids, so I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna do good. So I'm gonna get in the car. I'm gonna head over there. Y'all can't see me, but I just pulled up. All right, y'all. Yeah, she like me. Hey. Yeah, Giant claim he ain't here cooking, y'all.
Yeah, y'all want me to cook, y'all?
So Paisley tell him we just got home. And y'all, she was quiet the whole ride home. She was almost falling asleep, but she woke back up and I took her out. So, yeah. So, what you want to do? You want to watch YouTube? I think she want to watch YouTube, y'all. So, we finna go watch YouTube. YouTube and chill. That's what you want to do? Okay, that's what we gonna do then. Okay, y'all, so I'm scared. We gotta whisper. So y'all, we got on our bunnies and she going to sleep. And we've been hesitant. Yeah, so I'm recording on Snapchat because it had a flash. I turned the light off, but the TV's still on. We're watching, or we was watching Peppa Pig, and I want to take off her little thing, but I'm gonna wait. Because I feel like it's bothering her. Y'all see my mommy dress in the cut? Well, y'all, she got me. Y'all, so it's like 8 something. We watching YouTube. I don't want to get copyrighted, so yeah. We gonna get up in a minute. I'm gonna put on some clothes and I'm gonna get on some clothes. What you wanna eat? What you wanna eat? What you wanna eat? So you ain't gonna say nothing? I want to eat red lobster. I was thinking red lobster. What you thinking? She just like, get out of my face. Hey, y'all, I just put my other lash back on because I look crazy without my lash. And I'm finna put on some clothes. I'm trying to see, should we go out to eat or should I go grocery shopping? But I'm like, I don't know. We gonna see. Alright, y'all. So I just got dressed and she sleep. And I want to go to the store, but I don't want to wake her up because I know she gonna cry. But we finna see. Yo, she's sleeping. She's finna wake up. But yeah, so I don't know if I'm finna cook. I'm gonna go get me something to eat, but I'm trying to see. Alright, y'all, so we in the car. She went to sleep, so I'm finna head to Walmart so I can cook me something to eat. And yeah, I'll see you how when we get to Walmart because no recording and driving. Oh, we're missing this one.
Like a few minutes, ma'am.
Can I have some cheese dip? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Paige is not having it. Yeah, so this is my food. I started eating already. Steak on the side. Salsa and cheese. But she's still going to sleep. But she sleep, but she just keep opening her eyes because they playing music in here. So yeah, she stayed asleep the whole time we was in the Mexican restaurant. So yeah, I think I'm a very good mom. Period. What's up, y'all? We sitting in the living room right now.
And we're going up. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you.
Watching. Oh, I showed y'all the kitchen. But we watching Chris and Queen. Can't get copyright, y'all. So it's 5:30. So yeah, it's just 5:30. So I almost made it 24 hours being a mom. Okay. Don't be doodle. Hey. Oh, it's doodle. Not again. I'm using all the wipes, y'all. But I gotta make sure she clean. Is bananas, bananas. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of the 24-hour challenge. Her mom can't get her, y'all.